Hello everyone, my name is Harish Solanki. In this video we will learn about basic of coding in Python. Python is high level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Here a program print hello world. A print, this is a function display text or output to screen. Hello world is the text inside, marks is called string and print is. Let's move on the another one using comment in Python. Comment help explain your code but are ignored when the program runs. Use for single line comments and triple line comments or multi-line comments. In this program, let's see a program print hello world. And also pass their comments. This is also a comment written, you can see. Single line comment start with S and end with at the end of line. Multi-line comment in triple quotes useful for documentation and detailed explanation. Let's move on the another one. Execution command in Python. For execution command in Python, interactive mode. Python can run in interactive mode where you type command directly into interpreter and receiver intermediate result. This is a conventional way to experiment with the code and text small snippet. One code interactive mode. Open a terminal or Python IDE and type commands directly. In this code, print in this open bracket interactive mode. Second, script mode. You can solve your Python code in file with a .py extension. Due to execute the entire code in the file, use the command python file name .py in your terminal. We have an example here. By print open bracket running from a script. Let's move on the another topic. Importing package in Python. Pre-built functionality package in Python are collection of pre-written code that provides a specialized function and tool for specific task, such data analysis, visualization, or web development. Here we encode import math print maths.start 16. Math a build in a module with mathematical function. Import makes the module available in your script. You can also use from to import specific functions. To use a package in a code, you need to import it using the import keyword followed by the package name. You can then access package function using the dot operator. Getting data into R. R is used primarily for statistical computing and data analysis. In R, you can import data from various sources. CSV files use read.csv open braces to import data from comma separated value file. This format is common for spreadsheet and datasheet. Here we encode datasheet read.csv open braces data.csv. Print open brace head open braces data and close. In Excel file, Utilize the read Excel package to read data from Excel spreadsheet. You can specify the sheet name and cell range to import specific data. Here we have also an example. Library, open braces, read Excel. Saving output in R Python. To save output to a file, use Python file handling features. File equal to open braces, output dot text, comma w. File dot write, open braces, this is saved output. File dot close, open close braces, close. Use write.csv in the R to save the data a comma separate value file. This allows for easy sharing and compatibility with other software. In Python, you can use to CSV from the file Panda library to import data from the frames to CSV files, similar to how you do to in R. For image output are used to save plots from the ggplots package. You can specify the file format and resolution. Accessing and records variable in Python. Python allows easy access to data in collection like list, dictionary or data structure. Indexing, access to specific element within list, tuples and string using their position index starting from 0. For example, my list equal to close brackets 10, 20, 30. Second, slicing, extract a range of element from sequence using slicing. The syntax is start end step, where start is the index of first element and end is the index after the last element, and step is the interval between element. Is retrieve values from dictionaries using their corresponding examples. Conclusion and take is